Hey racers, let's count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job helping me count from 1 to 10, racers. I'll see you next time. Let's vroom into learning with Let's Go Vroom TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my other videos.